Queen Cierra, and I'm back again with another freaking video. And today is going to be another perfume review, and this is more of a first impressions review. Never tried this perfume. I never even seen this perfume really that much. So this is gonna be a blind. Well, I didn't buy it, but we're gonna call it a blind buy in the first impression. So we're. If you've seen, go watch my last video. But in my last video, I was talking about how I got this gift set full of a bunch of many different perfumes, and I realized I did have 2 out of how many is here. I do have the Viva La Juicy one. Let me know if you want me to review that. That's kind of like a Juicy Couture classic. And I do have the Prada perfume. Let me know if you want. I think I did a review on this already. The Prada Paradox perfume. I feel like I did a review on it. So if I did, or if I did mention in previous video, it will be here. Let me know if you want another review. Like I think I did. I think it was kind of like I did that perfume with another video. A couple different other perfumes. But let me know if you want a solid video on that. But today we're gonna do a perfume on this Dolce & Gabbana. Like, I was like, what's the name? And it's Q by Dolce & Gabbana. Now, when I hear Dolce & Gabbana, I can only hear Dolce & Gabbana That's on My Titties by Nicki. So it's just playing in my head. But I never even seen this perfume before. So I kind of looked it up, and it really wasn't a lot of fragrance notes here. Even on the Ulta and Sephora, I can't even get on the Sephora website right now. But on the Ulta website, they only list a couple of notes. So I'm going to give you my first impression. I'm trying not to read the fragrance notes too much, so it won't cloud my judgment. But we're going to see if this is giving or not. So here's the packaging. This is the sample. So don't mind my nails, it's chipped, but this is a nice red and gold packaging, and this is what the bottle looks like. So we're gonna take that out of here. Try not to spray it in my eyeball. So it's a nice. That's how much fragrance we got. I'm gonna spray it on here. I'm gonna see what it smells like. If it ever comes out. Okay, here we go. Fan a little bit. Oh my god. It has that I kind of go. I feel like my senses go numb to this type of fragrance. What I mean by that, it smells very. Like, I don't even know. I'm gonna say it smells old. Well, that's the first thing that comes to my mind. It feels like it's giving me Moschino. It's giving me very much Moschino vibes. It's not sweet at all. Which, I'm trying to, what is that? I know what this smells like. Oh my god, my eyes are watering. Oh my god, it smells like cherries. Chocolate cherries. Cherries. My eyes are watering. Like, I don't know why my eyes are watering. It's just this type of fragrance when I smell it. It just, my body automatically rejects it. It smells like old cherries. A little black, maybe black cherries, with a very woody undertone. It's not like a sweet element to it, which it's not giving. It's giving woodsy, like dry wood, old amber, some type of powdery, like cosmetic powderiness, like cheap cosmetic powderiness. It's not giving. I don't like it at all. The more I smell it, the more I just don't like it. Sorry, my bun looking long. I don't know why my bun looking crazy. I know my bun. Okay, so I got some of the notes. It says black cherry, warm and deep. I don't like it. Like I don't like it. I don't like it. And I think I don't like it because, one, I'm not a fan of cherries. I don't really eat cherries, but it smells like, I thought it would smell like chocolate cherries. It says dark cherry. Not a fan. A warm and deep dark cherry. Okay, I'm gonna say gross. It's not my cup of tea. Okay, it's not. I love amber, and amber is in here, and it is not giving amber. Amber was in the last perfume, and I love amber. Okay, I won't love it. I really like amber. It depends on how you do it, but I like me some amber. And amber's in here. I'm not liking it, and I'm just not liking it. And it's in the woodsy amber fragrance. It's a bold cherry hug, yeah. Has a lot of cherry. So yeah, this was a short review. I've only been talking for like 7 minutes. Don't like it at all. So this is going trash. But the one thing I do like about getting like these little sample kits is you can try different types of perfumes. So yeah, I'm gonna leave you on a high note. So this is Juicy Couture Viva La Juicy Sour. It's French, but the English version is sweet, so it's Viva La Juicy Sweet. And they're selling this at Ulta. The biggest size, 3.4 fluid ounces, is $115. 1.4 is, I'm on the Ulta website right now, is $93. And it's really cute. I will insert a picture. So this is what it looks like. It's really, really stinking cute. I'm trying not to read. I don't want to read the I don't want to read the fragrance notes, but yeah. So I'm gonna imagine peach, whipped cream, and orchid. So I feel like I smelled this in store and I was like, so we're gonna spray it because I really want to leave it on a high, and I don't really want to. So we're gonna get all that black cherry out of my nose. I'm gonna spray this. Definitely get that peach. It's, you know what, I think it would smell even better on me, so I'm gonna spray it on me. Cause with your DNA and your scent, you know, you get different than the paper. But first of all, peach, and that whipped cream, like it's a peach, but it's a creamy peach. It kind of smells like a peach ice cream, with a hint of like a floral. Definitely floral. I think I'm getting no woods, no woody element. I feel like it's a hint of, not amber. I definitely smell the peach, the orchid. I think there is maybe patchouli. It smells like it could be a tinge of a white mux, but I want to. It's very sweet. It's not a gourmand, but it's really sweet. Depending on, it's very daytime friendly. Like you could throw on, it won't be very offensive. Perfume. I wouldn't wear this on date night. It's too kind of, it's not sexy enough. for date night, personally, I wear this daytime running to Target. So yeah. Red currant, orange. That's what I'm. Wait, orange. I smell orange on my skin, but I don't smell orange when I spray it down on the paper. There's orange in here. Orange flower, jasmine. I don't smell jasmine. Okay. I thought it was patchouli, but it's jasmine. It could go jasmine. Peach, amber cream, coconut bean, sandalwood. After it dries down, you do smell that sandalwood. I thought it was more of a musk, but not sandalwood. Whipped cream, vanilla. Yeah, yeah. So I do smell the peach with the vanilla. It's the vanilla. I wish it was more of a more intense vanilla. I didn't even. You could kind of smell it in the background, but it's mainly the peach, the cream, the jasmine, and then you get the vanilla. Yeah, and that orange. The orange kind of covers up the vanilla, because I got the vanilla when I sprayed it down, but after it dries down, you don't really get the vanilla. And then compared to other vanilla perfumes that I've smelled, it's kind of like, so I'm like, is there vanilla in here? But let me spray it. Kind of don't want to spray it, but I'll get a new one. Like when you initially spray, you get the vanilla, and then it kind of like dies down and it turns into a orange. So I'm loving it. I love it. I definitely will be adding this to my collection, also with the Ariana Grande God is a Woman perfume, because this is very, very cute. Fragrance. Definitely gonna have to stop spraying it because I need to wear this. Yeah, so I definitely do love this. So it is Viva La Juicy Swap. It's sweet. It's in French. So yeah, I will definitely be linking this perfume down below. I will definitely link down the Dior one. No, not Dior. What is it called? Dolce & Gabbana perfume. If you are a cherry lover, I just don't like cherries. I don't like eating cherries. I don't like the smell of cherries. I don't like cherries. So if you do love cherries, that perfume will be you, because it's very cherry based. But Viva Juicy, I'm a Juicy Couture girl. So let me know which one y'all want to see next. Okay, babes, I'm so sorry. My camera just died, so I'm recording this part on my phone. But let me know what y'all want me to review next. Ooh, why is my lash looking weird? I'm sorry. But yeah, let me know what y'all want me to record. Which perfume y'all want to see next. It probably is Valentino. I think it's Born in Coral perfume, a flanker for the Born Aroma. So let me know what y'all want to see next. Don't forget. I was looking crazy. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I love you, Queens to the Moon and back. And I will see you in the next video.